Hey guys, my name is Pierre from Can Am Spyder and welcome to the Spyder Shop, to your Spyder Shop. In today's video, we're going to go on the road with the RLS Exhaust Crusher series on an RT 2020 and up, and this one is with a cat delete. Oh yeah, baby. In 3, 2, 1, let's go!
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand.
As you could see in that video, the weather was a little different. There were no leaves in the trees. Why? This was actually a long lost footage. In the original video, I had mentioned I'm going to do road tests with and without the cat delete. And on the red one here, what I did is that I've got a cat delete on this one. So cat delete plus crusher. You want to know what it sounds like? You're going to have to wait for the other video after this one. So in this I actually had problems with my Final Cut library. It's the software that I use for the editing and all that, and I actually had lost the footage until now. I found an old file tucked away somewhere in another hard disk, and I actually was able to recuperate some of the footage, and this is why I was able to do this video. That being said, where can you get these cool exhaust systems? Well, you go on Can Am Spyder Accessories.com. That's Can Am Spyder Accessories.com, and yeah, go ahead, go crazy, go buy one directly online. My name is Pierre. This is the Spyder Shop. Until next time, I'm out.